to school after holidays. Oh, gising na. Ayaw talaga lumabas pag hindi ang daddy. Good morning guys. Wednesday ngayon. So back to school na si Odie. Is January 3. Back to school. Pagdala ako guys ng kanyang baon. Snacks. Shiswal. Ano na naman? Sliced bread na walang ang tawag doon? Palaman. May ibong. Ano ba yung slice? Magpalaman ng anak ko. Nandun sa sala. Ayaw niya gumising guys po kung hindi kinukuha ng daddy. Daddy talaga. Daddy. Tatlong ganito. Iguain ko lang. Meron silang weight bag guys. Yan. Kape lang ako guys. Kape is life. Yan. Yan, kakain muna siya ng tinapay guys. Say good morning to the guys.
Good morning, guys.
Are you cold? Hindi naman cold, oy. Masyado. Uy, eat na yung bread. I will get your water. Where's your water?
Okay, Travis, get ready to jump down to my hoverboard and hang on. Maybe you should try to calm down, Big Bill, first.
Initing ko lang itong sabaw para kay Odis. Para makakain na ng makakain na ng rice. Ano yung ulam niya?
Tapon mo na rin yung mga maliliit na prutas. Makikira mo lang ay yung kiyat-kiyat, pati melon at pinya.
Tututis yung nabi.
Okay. Morning guys!
Butas.
Hindi yan butas.
Padala ako ng sa baba. Yung mga plastic habang iniinit ko ni Odis. Ulam. Sa baba na to daddy, hoy. Kalat-kalat ang laruan mo, boy.
Parang ka agad eh.
Bye-bye. Wala mo lang akong kiss, oy. Hindi ni. Bye-bye, daddy. Ha?
Nasa yung sapatos? Nasa siya?
Hindi ko alam. Tignan mo. Palis asawa ko, guys. Tatapon lang ng basura. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Para si Odis. Ayan, luto na guys. Luto na. Ininit lang naman. Mamaya, hahaunin ko na. Si Boy Daddy lagi. Hindi pa nakakaalis ang Daddy. Binibidyo na. Where's Daddy?
Here.
Here. Bilisan mo ang tinapay at kakain ka pa ng rice. Check ko lang guys kung may bus ngayon. Ngayon. Meron naman bus. Nung December, whole December na month, libre kami sa bus guys. Kasi, pa-holiday gift nila. Holiday gift. Kaya libre kami sa bus. Walang bayad yun. Back to bayad na tayo ngayon. Tapos na siyang maligo, guys. Dinamitan ko na din. What are you doing? Nag-aantay lang kami ng bus, guys. Walk away lang naman, mga 1 minute away lang naman sa amin yung bus stop. Naglalaro lang siya tuwing umaga. Habang wala pa yung bus. What's that? Show the guys here, toys.
Garbage truck.
A garbage truck. This one. Real one.
Truck.
It's a cargo truck. Ganyan lang siya tuwing umaga pag may school time. Laro muna, nood ng pad. Aantay ng bus. Ito yung gift ni, ng Kanggita family. Paw Patrol ng Pasko. Ang dami niyang toys, guys. Nakakalat lang. Kahit i-arrange ko ngayon, ikakalat na naman niya. Basta may bata talaga. Walang bahay na hindi makalat. Uh-oh. What did you do?
My garbage truck broke the truck.
Tantalizing eyes. Show me your eyes. Puyukan ni mo, oy. Iwat ganda di, oy. Parating na yung bus, guys. Ayan na yung bus, guys. Yan yung bus na sasakyan namin. Bababa na kami mamaya.
This bus is fixed.
Yeah.
The wrong bus is fixed.
Let's go. You okay? Huh? You okay? Hold my hands. Hold my hands. Alright.
Are we the first classmate?
Huh?
My first classmate?
Your classmate?
I'm the first.
Yeah, you're the first.
But what is...
You want me to
Wait.
carry your bag?
But no.
Nope. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Show the guys your bag. Yung kind of bag ni guys. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You need help?
No.
Sure.
No.
Uh,
Mama, I see the cloud.
you see the cloud?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see
Kita
the
doon niya
trunk
yung
is
clouds,
open.
guys. Huh?
The trunk is open.
The truck is open?
Yeah.
Again na, bring your bag na lang, Bi.
No.
Ayaw ibigay ang bag, guys. Oh, di. Hindi na makita ang hapon. Yan, tumakbo na. What? Wow, big boy ka na, boy. Ayaw mo nang magpahawak ng yung ano.
I saw the mirror the bus.
Yeah, the bus is coming. Dito na kami guys. Ibang daan lang kami pumunta. Dahil gusto niya palikod. Ako na nagdala. Dahil nabibigatan na daw siya. Ayaw pa. It's too heavy daw eh. Bisi yung mata. You don't have nappies, right? Yeah. Because you're a big boy now. You're not a baby anymore. Wala na yan siyang napis. Pero nilagyan ko pa din dito ng napis guys. Para alam mo yun.
Tired.
You're tired? It's too early pa para mag-tired. Hindi ka pa. Sabi sa'yo, huwag na tayo duman dito eh. I told you. Tired ka tuloy. Naglakad ng malayo. Dito na kami guys.
No car.
Huh?
Oh, this is car.
The other way. Yeah. You okay? Take off your hat. Huh?
Maybe I can't too.
Yeah.
I cannot do it.
Give me. Good morning.
Oh, your contacts.
Ooh. You're not wearing your nappies na. Teacher Tess is so proud of you. You ask help, okay? If you need to, okay?
Pew, 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 pew.
What's this? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Uwi na ako guys. Yun ang isa. Nandun. Carnival guys. Uwi na tayo guys. Naglalakad lang ako. Mainit na malamig guys. May bus naman sadya. Kaso ayoko talagang mag-rides para tipid. $2 din naman. Gusto ko exercise sa umaga. Kahit lakad-lakad lang. Dito na naman ako nadaan sa field. Basa pa yung damo guys. Medyo basa-basa pa. Naulan. Naulan? Oh, parang naulan nga kahapon o kagabi. Not sure. Bahay na ako guys. Ano lang ako. Kakain lang ako ng tanghalian and then mag-i-edit ako. Kasi may ini-edit ako kagabing video and thumbnail na lang yung kulang. Init na naman. Init na naman. Init lang tayo dito guys. Sayang din eh. Wala na ba ibang kakain? Kunin ko na si Oldis guys. Ano na, 12:40. Mag-12:40 na. So, kukunin ko na si Oldis. Kasi maglalakad lang ako, diba? And medyo makulimlim. Ito lang outfit natin. Ano ba? Lululemon bag and then shirt lang. Ayan. Hindi naman malamig guys. So, tara. Kunin na natin si Oldis natin. Waiting for the bus. Ang ito mo, boy.
Mommy?
Yeah,
I take it well?
Huh? Bye na kami, guys. Remove your clothes. Oldis.
That's my picture. What's this?
Remove.
It's book. It's I'm for daddy.
Hey, remove your clothes muna.
Okay.
Put that in the laundry basket. Kalat mo, boy. Remove also your shirt.
Sorry. Just go to play.
Remove also this one.
No.
And your shorts. We're gonna use the other clothes. Come on.
No.
We're gonna replace it with the new clothes.
Not the one.
Not the dirty. That's a dirty one now.
Ba 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 ba.
Ba 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 ba. Ikaw.
Ba 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 ba.
How was your school?
Yes, it's great.
Great.
Yeah.
Look at guys. Anong ginawa mo? What did you do to your face?
I'm just trying.
Oh my goodness. What did you put in your face?
I know.
Is this a powder?
Yeah. Photo for a face.
For the purpose. Wow. Too many, Anna. Why did you put too many?
I'm
Look at you.
4 years old.
Oh, you look like a wakwak. A ghost. Oh
No.
my goodness. Anong ginawa mo, boy?
But- It has wine. No.
Yeah, this is a stain.
Yeah. I don't know what this thing doing here on my shirt.
Oh my goodness.
Idea, mommy, idea.
You have idea again. Oh, what's your idea? No. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Whoa.
Let's wash
Baba
your face.
Bio.
Wash your face. Tignan nyo guys.
Wait.
Gamit na gamit ang kanyang
Money
camera.
McQueen.
Let me see. Yung McQueen. Ito yung gift ko sa kanya sa Pasko. Oh, so
My camera and
nice.
your camera.
It's your camera. You like my gift for you?
Hey, I saw my dad's car.
Yeah. Yan yung gift ko sa kanya nung Pasko, guys.
What?
Gusto naman niya. Nang aagaw kasi ng camera, tapos gusto niya mag-picture din siya sa amin ng daddy niya. Kaya binilang ko na lang ng mini camera. Oh, that's daddy's car.
Yeah, I take a picture of daddy's car. Oh!
Wait, let me see the other.
Wait.
Where's your McQueen? Ah, there you go.
And this is my rhyme McQueen too.
Lino din naman eh.
Baba.
Sasampay muna kami, guys. Ang init sa labas, kaya ako nagkaganito. Ano niya? What's that? Ba? Guys, naglalakad sa neighbor. Sama ko ang mag-ama. Oh, di. Stop it.
I think that's too tight.
Too tight?
Yeah? What?
Go, 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 go. Oh.
Hold your spoon.
Eat na.
No.
Ano yun?
What?
What? Huh?
Huh?
No game na. Later. Kain tayo, guys. Guys, kain. Yes, ay kain po. What? Sarap naman na.
Now do it back. Okay.
Ano sabi hindi masarap?
Kanina?
Ano sabi ko kanina?
May kulang.
Kaya nga, yung dahon ng laurel nga.
Ang liwanag pa guys. 9 na ng gabi. Movie time.
This is
There's no real ship that can match the
this is next.
Odi.
Say goodbye na to the vlog.
Bye vlog.
Bye vlog.
Bye vlog.
Say goodbye guys.
Goodbye vlog.
See you on our next vlog.
Una vlog. Bye bye.